Hello guys, we're listening to, we're listening, just to make it clear, we're listening to a police body cam, sorry, there's a warning for you pussies, just gonna get one thing, I'll be with you in about 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, oh fuck. Not 3 seconds, it's about 25. I was joking. Nearly finished. Right. Right, warning for the pussies. Play. I'll never.
So the dog came up to you. Was it aggressive coming up to you?
Okay. It was barking aggressively. It was loud. I didn't do anything. I just kind of stood there and was like, hey, I have a dog. I get it. Whatever. I'm like, oh, hey, whatever. And then it came up and just fucking bit my leg. And
Stupid fucking dog.
It didn't go through here, but it went through there, and then that's where I showed you the wound that's actively.
Yeah. And it just bit you out.
Just fucking kick it.
And the dude, I guess, that was responsible for it, that I should get the information for it so that I can take a report, was just walking behind it nonchalantly. I then walked up to a cop car.
Fucking bite him. You just want us to play. Come on guys, he just wants to play.
Yes! Yes, you're being detained.
There's nothing to me that does anything.
He's getting
Is that your dog?
detained.
You're not
He's
asking
getting
about that.
detained.
Is that your
He's
dog?
getting detained. Dickhead! Fucking idiots. Oh shit, I'm falling. What the heck? I'm okay.
It's assault! Stop! Sit!
Sad.
I will blow your dog away!
No, please! Hey.
No, stop!
I need backup.
You're under arrest!
Yeah, you're fucking under arrest. For being an absolute pussy.
Yes! Yes, you're being detained.
There's not.
Bro, go in the fucking shower, bro.
Nothing to me that does anything bad.
Is that your dog?
You're not asking the right question.
Is that your dog?
Fucking. Goodbye.
Assault! Stop! Sit!
Boom, boom,
I will
bam.
blow your dog away!
Yeah, do it.
No, stop!
Don't try to blow my dog away. That's my dog, not your dog.
You're under arrest!
For being a dickhead.
Watch it. If you touch him, the dog's going.
Yeah, the dog's gonna fuck
Dog,
you.
man.
Yes!
Dog.
You're under arrest!
Get over here, your dog's gonna get shot.
Pow, pow, pow. Goodbye, dog.
Market approaching 4th. We have a suspect with a dog. The dog is not react or responding to our commands. Neither is he. I'm shooting it. Stop.
Aura, bro. W. That's what he fucking gets.
Stop.
What the fuck are you shooting, lady? Look at him! Look at him! On the ground!
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots fired. You're not even shot.
Hey, firm. Brian, watch out. Dog's coming behind you.
Don't shoot it.
Hey. John 12, David.
No!
Get over here.
Right, I might actually
John
using him
told
as a
David.
pussy.
Get over here.
You're under arrest!
Give us another
It's what
unit
he's
here.
fucking got.
We're at O'Farrell and Market.
He said his dog's gonna get shot if you don't fucking come here. Like, fucking you, come here, I'll shoot your fucking dog in pieces.
I'm gonna shoot your dog, man.
You've
I'm gonna
already
shoot your
fucking
dog.
done
You're
it.
under arrest!
Get over here, your dog's gonna get shot.
Oh, this is the other places, gal. Yeah, police officer body cam 2.
Get over here. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
You're not even fucking shot.
You gotta-
Oh, he's gonna get his fucking baton out.
Get on the ground.
Bam, bam. Fucking shoot him.
1025.
Shots fired, bow, bow, bow. Your dog's gonna fucking shot, bruh. Off we go, 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 off we
Get on
go,
the ground.
off we go,
Get on the
off
fucking
we
ground!
go, off we go. Right, the police will just
Go,
fucking...
David. On the ground.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. Dog. That's amazing. Alright, I'm going to end it here because shots fired. I need to go see the dog. That cop has got W aura, bro. Alright, I'll see you next time. I'm going to be releasing a music video. Headshot 223 Rashia Baby. Ah, yeah. I'm sorry. Goodbye. I love y'all. I said I love y'all.